Right guys, welcome back to another cooking video, and today we will be making a burger from scratch using these simple ingredients. Now, so we've got some mince, obviously for the patty, an egg, some garlic, some sea salt grinder, some chili garlic grinder, and some black pepper grinder, and then an onion. Right, I've got my mince and all my ingredients, and I'm going to mix it together. A bit of salt. A bit of black pepper. A bit of chili garlic. And now a bit of garlic itself. I've got an egg and I'm going to add it in, but you don't need to use an egg, but it helps it bind together. Right guys, I'm mixing all my ingredients together. It is quite messy, but it is fun. Right guys, I'm still mixing it all together. It's starting to get very messy, and there's some on the table. Oh yeah, nice. Right guys, I've just mixed it all together, and now I'm going to shape it into a burger patty. So what you do is, you're going to squish it down, and if you're getting big pieces of onion, it's best to take them out, because you don't want bits of onion sticking in your burger, do you? Unless they're small. And then you're going to flatten it out like that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to shape it into a circle with your hand. So just curve it round like that, and then you're going to turn it over and do the same again. It may not be the most perfect burger, but it's okay. Right guys, I've made burger patties out of them, and now I'm going to put them in the air fryer for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's okay if you haven't got an air fryer, because you can use a frying pan, a barbecue, or an oven, or even a grill, but I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So I'm using a spatula, but you can use your hands. Just make sure not to drop them. Oh, look at that. Now for this one. Oh, it's okay guys, don't worry, I'll fix that. Right guys, I've got 4 patties in the air fryer, so now it's time to put them in. No, I'm going to put 4 patties in the air fryer actually. Ten minutes, here we come. Right guys, we're halfway through and they're looking good. Right guys, the patties are out of the oven, the air fryer, sorry, and at the last minute I've decided to put some cheese on, and now I'm going to garnish it with some tomatoes and lettuce. There it is. And these are the ingredients that we're going to put on it. The lettuce and the tomato. A tomato and a lettuce. 2 tomatoes, 2 bits of lettuce. That's okay guys, because it landed on my plate. Right guys, I've decided to add some ketchup. You can use mayonnaise or barbecue sauce or whatever you like, but I'm going to add some ketchup. So I'm going to open it right now. And get it. Oh. Right guys, the time has come. I'm really excited, but it's time for the taste test.